What do I need to say?
Wake up in the morning and I dab.
Wake up in the morning and I dab. That's right. She made me say it. So what am I doing right now? Waiting on a chicken sandwich, to be honest. And no, this has nothing to do with this video at all that I'm posting. It's just that I happen to be that occupied that I'm actually just going to do an intro as I sit and wait for a chicken sandwich. So yes, this is about the waterfall. You know, doing a nice little nature trail. Nothing that is connected to, like I said, this intro at all. We're throwing it out there anyways. That's a bunch of giggles go on right behind me. We just got to post it as it is because that's just what we do. And honestly, I was kind of sore the past couple days because of my shoulder. I'm still sore today, but so once again, as always, you know the deal. Stick around and enjoy the show. Yep, we're at the waterfall this morning. Don't think I need to do much talking. I'm just gonna enjoy the sights. What y'all think? Honestly, been trying to improve my health and my leg stability. I don't think they'll ever get 100% again, but there's definitely improvement because even though this is one of the steepest inclines, it's definitely worth it, and I ain't complaining. Just a little each day as I go, right? About the best way to look at it. Yeah, a little bit of rock wash has come down. They haven't cleaned it up yet, but they'll get to it if it really gets down here into the trail. Speaking of trails, honestly, could be from a lot of people trying to climb it this year too, because there are trails that go all through this mountainside, especially around this waterfall. we're definitely gonna attempt to get to it this time. Last time I came up here, it was covered in ice and snow. So we're about to get closer and not worry about falling through anything. Just possible tripping here and there. Oh yeah, you can definitely tell where the waterfall has transformed in the past year. A lot more rock fall this year too. It is beautiful and definitely quite cool over here, which with most moisture that definitely happens. But here's the view from the waterfall angle. Time to see if I can make it back down. We're going to go down on the path on the other side of the bridge this time and head back to the vehicle. Before I truly start heading down, let me at least show you this right here. It is basically a natural step trail that they have railed off with a few different lookout points as you go up to definitely view from different angles up there. It's pretty cool, but exhausting, and we ain't doing that today. Maybe soon. Okay, I think this is the most sketchy part for me, are these small rocks and this steeper incline coming down to the parking lot. I already slipped a couple times, so we're putting the camera up. Okay, we're down and we're done. And that's the Casper, Wyoming Waterfall, Rotary Park. the... Is this the California edition? I don't think so. And that's where we're at on that. Catch you on the next flip flop. Say something else. That's right, you can't hang with me with them words that you got, with the generational words, millennial words. What is Lily considered? Millennial?
I'm Gen Z.
She's Gen Z. Gen.
Oh.
Much. Now we can leave.
Thank God.